Hello, we're back. Garden Project 5, I think this is. What we're doing, we need to get some walling done this week, and I think I'm going to bed these copings on. Got these really nice copings, double bull nose, Indian stone polished it is. Just put this corner up. I left that down because I didn't know whether we were going in like that, but we're not. We're squaring it off at that and then doing something with this decoration later on. So I'm thinking we'll get a couple of copings on because I've got wall set to here to there, and it goes pretty much down there. And these of them look really nice. Only thing is, my truck has blown up, and we're in Josh's little car. Turbo's gone on it, and I ain't got a proper square, so I'm gonna have to use a 45 that's on the saw to square it up. I'm pretty sure I can get it all right. Even if I'm a little out, I can nip a bit off in a bit. Got a porcelain blade on, so it should cut through this pretty good. Right, let's crack on. So I need a 45, so if I use that to go on there, that'll give me square edge for this. And then all I want is it going into this corner. Probably a little bit more that way. Right, mark that. Bit of a bodgy way of doing it, like, so I haven't got a square, but it is 45, so it should work. Not the best blade. Feels cold, but it started bending with heat, which wasn't great. But I've got my cut pretty sharp, so it has cut it pretty well. But I have to go a bit slower with next one. Make sure it ain't overeating. To mark this one. Then if it is slightly out of the mill, it's going to match. Massive bend again, that. Yeah, I don't know whether it's because it's these Indian stones. We're going to have to see when it cuts up porcelain. Not keen on it though. Not happy at all with that.
Is it that bad?
It cuts alright, but that blade just keeps bending like crazy. Right, super not happy with that blade. Thing is, it's not even hot. It's getting a lot of bend on it. It might cut through porcelain because it is made for the porcelain. I could put my other blade on with gaps in. See if that does the Indian stone better. This Indian stone might be just overeating it, but pretty good cut, but could have been a disastrous one way we're moving. Let's try it on. Right. Square it up a bit. I think that's going to look pretty sweet. It's a good cut. I just lined them up. By pure luck, it's fit full one at that side. This one ain't though. This one we're gonna have to cut. It's just too long by about 20 mil. So we're gonna end up cutting that there, cutting one there, cutting one there. Just a little bit 3 in that. But we can sort that. This one here, pure luck, it has worked out fine. We just said, oh yeah, we'll stop it there. There were no rules out on that. We're just like, yeah, we'll stop it there. That looks good, place, and it's fit. So that's worked out lovely. Gonna easy prime them. easy prime bottoms of them, make them stick a bit better. This is for porcelains and that. Smells like tile adhesive, looks like tile adhesive, sets like tile adhesive. Pretty sure it's just tile adhesive. You just water it down a bit. Mix on. Let's get it started. I think we'll start with this one here and prime it up. We might need a bucket of water and some sponges to get it off with.
So there's a sponge right next to Josh now.
Got a little level, haven't we? Oh, do you want to get that rubber hammer out, Josh? Oh, I've just left like a inch either side 'cause it's got a bit of overhang on it. Don't want that to show underneath. If anybody's looking underneath it, which they won't be, but you know, you never know. Little level. I think I'm just gonna to drop them off that way slightly, or I think I'm just gonna do them. Yeah, I'm gonna drop it just slightly that way, everyone. Then over there, it ain't going onto the pavement. It's off into bushes. Take measure, and then make sure. Yep, not right. Yep, that's not right. It's not right. We'll be in a minute. Oh, right. Probably half and half. Is that like?
Looks like I went too far. Put that back in.
45. Up to in a smidge.
Yep. Looks about right.
So like 45, yep. 45, 45. That wants to come to me a little bit. Just gonna go for like a 5mm joint. And then when this goes on, that's pretty damn good to me. Just put it in line where the rollover is. Like that. And we'll just go under it. I think. I might move it, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Right, bring the batter down here, Josh. Oh yeah. They're all alright, and then until you get down to this one here. Can you see that? It's the same on both sides, look, sticks out. And then I swapped it for that one there, and it's still as big, but I think I'm going to have to swap it again. Then I'll use them two down there somewhere. Two I've picked up now. About 11.5 inch, and it needs to be 11.25. Oh, look. It's all might be. Is it the others that are small? I think it's the others that are small, not them ones that are big. Oh, there, 11.25. That one. I like that one. There we go. Much better. I've just had my dinner and this is dry now. All we're doing is we've just filled it in like that, and all I'm doing is I'll just sponge it off then. Like that. I don't know whether he wanted it grouting, but if he does, we'll just gouge it out and grout it. But I think it's going to look fine like this. Better to fill it in now, like the knot joints are solid then. Oh god. Looking good. Got about 5mm on these joints. Yeah, look, this is problem I've been here, look, so we've got a little cut, so I think I'm gonna do a cut about that big in the middle, and then we'll just even these out slightly off with this one, look. So I need to take this out here to square it up. See? Back to that blade now. This one's perfect. First one I did, perfect, but you know, I can alter that, it's not a problem. Get that sorted. There we go, just literally just pinched it up, front blade black through, perfect. Right, I need to sort this out. That is a shame, innit? But there we go. Get these laid in today. It's a bit wet in this mix, isn't it? Yeah. This is the last one because we've run out, but it isn't because it's been measured wrong, it's because that bit there has been added on, so this bit is short now. Where's the level? So we need to get a few more. I just wanted to get these out, these on, get them out of the way and see what they look like. Because this job's that big, we can literally pick and choose. Some days we can do paving, some days we can do walling, some days we can do copings, whatever we want. Steps, I think, some of it. That's good. That is good. Just fill it in like this and then let it go off and brush it, sponge it, sorry. Right, it's another day. We've just scrattered that down, look, see it? So it looks, these copings look absolutely awesome, I love them. They're so like, when been polished, they just look great. We just need a few more for down there, but look so smart them. It's the first time I've ever laid these ones with Indian stone polished, and that's slight, so I made that. I just cut that so it would half slope, so it looks a bit better. So that and that are same size, and that's a tad smaller. Same with this, so that's same size, that's a tad smaller. It just makes it, because we had that dodgy gap. So I know you've wasted one, but it looks a lot better like that, doesn't it? Right, step. That is it for this one. Take you around there though, see what we're starting today, give you a quick sneaky peek on next week's. It's a bit messy around here, but we've got this this part now where the step comes in. That's done. Step here, just pull one of them round. Then it rolls around here with some face. This step, I set it out so it had a wall either side with copings on. Not happening. Just to change a plan on that, because we're gonna, I think copings are gonna stop here now, maybe, and then all this is flags are gonna come over this, like, and be cut round. So this step here, so I basically need my stone to go under this bit here, so this will be seen. Same on that side. So this has got to come off because it's too wide. I'll pull that corner in, take them off, and we'll see what we can do with that.